Okay, so this is the City Ramp Racer. When I was a kid, I had a lot of car toys and I used to love them. I used to build a lot of things. I used to also have a game known as Mechanics, and I used to use that to build a lot of stuff. And that is how I learned a lot of my engineering skills today, right? So I wanted something which has basically an engineering potential, and I can teach my daughter a lot of the skills that I have. So I decided to I decided to go with this product, right? It is for kids 18 months plus. It has 7 parts that you need to connect. I'm going to show you the whole thing with the cars. It is from the company Top Bright, and I have other products also from this company, and I like those products. I think they are very good quality. So the thing that it basically helps your kids is in fine action, because they need to control the car and move the car, hand-eye coordination, spatial imagination, seeing the car move, visual tracking, and situation learning. I'm going to open it now and let's see all the items. So you can see on the top I have this box. You can remove this thing out. It has the car, and then this is this single big item. So yeah. Okay, and this is the nice place to park the cars. So you can see I don't really need to make anything, so even if you don't have any of those things, but it still, toys like this do help in understanding how things work and flow around. Okay, so there are 2 of this. This one you want to place it in this direction, the way I am placing it, right? And you see these rods, they go inside this hole. So let me set this thing up. Yep, it's set up. Yep, now it's set up. Same for this one as well, right? However, in this case, you are going to keep the car dropping in this direction. Once again, you see these 2 slots, they will go in this thing. So you can see how easy it was. So you don't really need to worry too much about this thing. This is like a small petrol pump kind of thing. Okay. So note the cars are small, so you want to go with kids 18 months or younger or older. If you do play with younger kids, then please make sure you are doing it under adult supervision. So see, there are 4 cars. I am going to park them in the parking location, which is why it says P, right? I don't think there is a front or a back. I don't think there is a front and a back, but you can choose the color, right? Also, you can see the car colors match the color of the track, which is really cool, right? So now and you can see how nice it went in. Let me show you again. Let me turn this around so that you can see it better. So let's see. And you see what happens? Every time the car falls, it basically replaces the direction, right? So the car flips, right? Up and down it's the same. So every time it drops one direction, it flips. Yeah? It's your turn now. Let's see. Okay, let's see this view. Okay? Yahoo! So she's basically 11 months old, but you can see how she's definitely looking at the cars and how they fall and go in different directions, and she's tracking the items. This is really cool to see. So these are her sensory skills developing. Let us try again. Okay. Now we are going to fill in some petrol, gas. Driving a car is not free. Right, Viru? Driving a car is not free. And it goes on. Let's put another car. Okay, now we are going to play with the orange car. Okay, so this one got stuck. Let's start from the scratch. Yeah, and the 4th and the final car. Okay, and at the end you want to teach your kids to put the cars back in the place. So put the orange car in its orange slot and close the garage. Put the yellow car in the yellow slot and close the garage. That way you can teach them to also put their toys back once they are done. green in the green slot, and then blue in the blue slot here. And you can just store it. You can even keep this as a showcase, right? Okay, so basically store all the cars, right? And that's it, you are done. Let me give this car to her for a few seconds. Come on. Yep, you can see she is looking and playing with it. She understands how cars work. Now let's play again. And it's gone. Let's try it so that she can see it. Viru, let's see it again. Oh, it dropped in the wrong direction. What did you do, Viru? Yahoo! Yep. And you can see you can do this, right? So you can store the cars and you can just play with this thing. It's really nice. So overall, very happy with the toy, and I would definitely recommend it for everybody, right? It's a nice fun toy and you don't really need to make too many things. So, and you can see how she wanted to play with it. I'm going to let her play. It's up to you now. Come. Viru, see? You want it? Let's put the car again here, okay? Yep, and you can see how she was quickly interested in the car because she's seeing a moving item. Usually she is not allowed to play with a lot of moving items, right? But with this one she is, because it's a toy and we are playing with her. So it's fun, and she was definitely interested in how she tracked it. Now you can see she's trying to place it. I'm going to let her place it. Yep, placing it. Now you can see she's trying to do something. There wasn't enough momentum, so the car got stuck. Let's try it again. Yep. So overall, a super cool toy. I would definitely recommend it for all parents of kids 18 months. Okay, thank you.